Hello everyone. Today let's talk about your new lesson, the Arab and the Camel. I think many of you heard about this children's story, Arab and the Camel. It's a moral story. Children, let us start. The Arab and the Camel. The deserts of Arabia have a very peculiar climate. During the day, it is very hot. The heat is unbearable. During the night, it becomes very cold. The climate in the desert is extreme. It is either very hot or very cold. The desert. Everyone know what is the meaning of desert, isn't it? Desert is very dry place. I hope you have read in social studies and you know about it. It covered with sand. So in Arabia, the deserts, their climate which is very peculiar. Peculiar means a particular climate. So daytime the climate is very hot. See the heat which is unbearable. Unbearable means not able to tolerate that much too hot. Okay. But exactly opposite at night. So nighttime very cold. That means shivering. That type of cold. Okay. The cold climate. The climate in the desert is extreme. Extreme means reaching the highest degree. That means if it is hot means maximum hot. If it is cold means maximum cold. You know the ship of the desert. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Why? Because camel is the main source of transportation and people use camel to travel one place to another. So it is known as the ship of the desert. Once there was a camel driver named Mustafa who lived in the deserts of Arabia. He had a camel who was really a very stubborn fellow. He has a camel and this camel who is really a stubborn fellow. What is the meaning of stubborn? S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. Stubborn means hard to deal with. Very tough. That means it is very difficult to manage. That type of nature the camel has. So he was struggling to manage the camel also. The camel was clever, much cleverer than old Mustafa. Mustafa belonged to a tribe of nomads in the desert. Nomads are people who move from place to place in search of food and water. So this camel was very cunning and very clever also. So Mustafa belongs to a group of people called nomads. Actually, what is nomads? Nomads are people who move from place to place in search of food and water. So, nomads are people who are traveling from one place to another in search of food and water. They are traveling from one place to another place. That means they have no fixed place and they are moving one place to another in search of food and water. The desert, as you know, is covered with sand. There is sand everywhere and very little water. It hardly ever rains in the desert. There is no rain in the desert. We all know that desert means completely covered with sand only. There is sand is everywhere and very little water. We all know that scarcity of water which is more there. That means no water. Sometimes there are terrible sandstorms. When the sand is kicked up by the wind and blown into your face and hair and eyes and mouth. Life in the desert is very hard. The life of the people and animals who live in the desert is also very hard. What is sandstorm? Sandstorm means due to heavy wind, the sand comes up like sand, and it is very difficult for the people to live in such situation. So, the sandstorm are very common in the desert and disturb the lives of the people. Sometimes it comes in the form of dust and enters into their mouth, eyes, hair, and face. Summary of the lesson: The Arab and the Camel. There was a camel driver named Mustafa who lived in the deserts of Arabia. He had a camel who was very stubborn nature. Mustafa belonged to a tribe of nomads in the desert. Nomads are people who move from place to place in search of food and water. I think this is clear to you. We will discuss the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.